Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful butterfly locks wig. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I have a separate video showing you guys how to make your own DIY curly hair for the butterfly locks. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click on the link in the description box down below to watch that video. So moving on to the next step, you're also going to be needing some braiding hair. It can be straight, it can be wavy. You can use whatever you have in hand. So you just want to use that for the base of the lock. Okay, so to start, you want to take your crochet hook and pass it through the cap. So next, you want to hook the braiding hair and pass it through. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to be doing like a crochet method. Okay, so next you want to take the curly hair and fold it over just like that, and next go ahead and twist the loop one time, and we're going to be passing the braiding hair and half of the curly hair through the loop. Just take that and pass it through the loop just like that. So next go ahead and adjust it to secure it in place by pulling on the end of the straight braiding hair just like that. So that's secure everything in place. So next you want to go ahead and adjust the length of the curly hair, adjust the length that you want for your lock. So now that that is done, you want to go ahead and start wrapping the hair. So you want to start by wrapping the hair around the base of the braiding hair like 3 to 4 times first before going ahead to do the butterfly lock technique or the messy lock technique. So you want to make sure that the base is well secured and firm before going ahead to do the messy look. Okay, so once you wrap to your desired length, you want to go ahead and take a little bit of the hair and tie a knot to secure that point in place before going ahead to fold the hair over and wrapping upward. So now that I've tied a knot and secured that point in place, I'm just going to go ahead and twist the end of the hair and then fold it over and start wrapping upward. Okay, so here is the first lock right here. Okay, so I went ahead and did some of the locks off camera, so as you can see right here, looking beautiful. Okay, so just like you would do when doing your box braid, you want to make sure that the next lock you place on top falls in between the space on the bottom, so that helps to give you that fuller looking hairstyle without having to use too much hair or without having to do too much of the butterfly locks. So moving on, I'm going to be showing you guys again on the black cap. So doing the same thing, you want to take your crochet hook, pass it through the black cap, and next hook the braiding hair, a little bit of the braiding hair, and pass it through the cap. So next you want to take the braiding hair and twist the loop one time, just like that. Okay, so next you want to take the curly hair and pass the curly hair and the braiding hair through the loop. So just take that and pass the end, which is half of the curly hair, through the loop. Okay, so once that is done, you want to go ahead and pull on the end of the curly hair to kind of get it out of the way. So next you want to make sure to put it outside, just like that. Then again, you want to take the braiding hair, twist the loop just one time and pass the rest of the braiding hair through the loop. So next you want to pull on the end of the braiding hair to secure it in place. So pull on it just like that to secure it in place. So also doing the same thing, you want to make sure to wrap the hair around like 3 to 4 times around the base first before going ahead to do the messy lock technique. So you want to make sure that the base is well secured and firm, okay, before going ahead to do the butterfly lock technique. Yeah, I think you guys get it, right? All right. Okay, so I've already went ahead to braid the hair on the lace closure. I did single braids, as you can see right here. Okay, so to work on the hair on the lace closure, since I've already did the single braid, we're also going to be doing the crochet method. But first, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the length of the braid. So I'm going to be doing that by passing the crochet hook through the base of the braid, and I'm going to be, hold on, right there, I'm going to, okay, pass the crochet hook through the base. So next, I'm going to go ahead and hook the tip of the hair and then pull it through to adjust the length. So right there. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and fold the coily hair over just like that. Okay, taking the crochet hook, I'm going ahead to pass it through the base of the braid. Next, hook the hair, and right here I'm going to be pulling half of the coily hair through the base. So I'm gonna end up with one long end and one short end. So now I'm gonna start wrapping the hair around the braid. Also doing the same thing, I'm making sure to wrap about 3 to 4 times to make sure the base is properly secured in place before going ahead to do the messy lock technique. Okay, so now that I've wrapped it to my desired length, I'm going ahead to tie a knot to secure that point in place before going ahead to fold it over and wrap it upward. So right here, I'm going ahead to fold it over and wrap the rest of the hair upward. Okay guys, so this is the final result right here and I love it. I hope you guys do too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.